Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make it look like you're out of the window on Dress to Impress. So you're going to want to make it so that your right hand is as close to the window as possible, like this. And I'm just going to move forward. It's a little bit easier if you have the walking speed thing, like so. Like this. I'm just going to move a little bit more forward. There we go. And then I'm going to go to the poses, go to the Brat pose pack, and then you're just going to select the So Julia one. As you can see, it's like looking out the window. You will glitch like a little bit though, so just keep that in mind when you want to take screenshots like that. Okay, there we go, it stopped glitching. So you can basically just take a picture like this. Whoops, I keep going too close. Like this, it looks like you're kind of looking out the window on Dress to Impress. If you want to go back in the room, just select the pose again and hopefully you'll be back. There we go. And that is pretty much it. It does help if you have the slow walk. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.